Hey y'all, JC's Honeybees here. And we're gonna work on a little winter project since spring is about to spring on us here in North Texas. It's time to get our trailers repaired and ready to move some bees around to possibly do some pollination for 2024. This trailer here is one of my original ones and it has seen much better days. My typical setup on these is, this is a 16-foot trailer. It'll hold 10 colonies on each side permanently. And we have a little bit of rot. So I'm gonna rip out these old boards and put some new ones in. I'm really happy with the finished product. I didn't video the process because there was a lot of profanity, maybe some kicking and spitting and sputtering, but I was able to do it without having a welder. Just some determination. Looks really, really nice. I added a little tailgate there just because. Did some painting, sanded all the rust off of it. She'll be ready to move some bees around.